Welcome back to the channel. Well, now that it has been revealed how much taxpayer dollars was spent by the prosecution in the UK or to retain UK representation at the Privy Council level to keep Vybz Kartel behind the bars and to continue his initial conviction, something which they lost. Concerned Jamaicans are saying it's a waste of funds. If you agree, talk to me in the comment section, drop a like on the video. Now, maybe couldn't hear what they have to say, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Jamaicans, your government spent $63 million so far fighting Vybz Kartel.
Spent so far $63 million fighting Vybz Kartel. Yes, Jamaica. Jamaica, when there is so much needs in the hospital, in the education system, in the roads, infrastructures, this government spent $63 million so far fighting one man. Vybz Kartel have to be public enemy number one. And then right behind him, Isaac Buchanan. Yes, Jamaica. So Vybz Kartel is enemy one and Isaac Buchanan is enemy two for the government. But Jamaica, on a serious level, Jamaica, your government coming like them big kitty girl who sit out a station gate at night time. Yes, Jamaica, I said it.
No, that man like just the thought how much taxpayer dollars was spent get him angry. Like it irritate him brain. Him genuinely upset. Tell me if you feel the same. Do you feel like Vybz Kartel has already been behind the bars for far too long? And you feel like he should be released? Or tell me if you believe that the defense just presented a stronger case and why they shouldn't be a retrial as opposed to the prosecution presenting submissions stating why there should be a retrial. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now, maybe I couldn't say what take place downtown when a taxi driver decide to drive through the bus bay where them have designated for JUTC. You're not supposed to drive no car there, so a JUTC bus is only, not even a coaster bus. This man brake, and it's a one-way too. The bus is coming one way and exit the other way. Him coming through the exit. I'm going to say what I go and do continue reason. Look on this.
Then this are the lay-by. This are the Portmore lay-by, right? This are no car not supposed to drive from that way there to go that way there. This are taxi money I know. This are taxi money I know, right? See them all on funny there. I don't know if you can see him. He might drive from this up, which no car enough to drive this up, no car enough in this up. Lick down one woman pitney and lick down one woman pitney. Him no fear drive in here, him no fear in here. See where him carried it? Him not come from that way. See there, that's a King Street. No car enough in here. Lick down the woman pitney, make the woman all drop down. Woman all drop down, you know? The woman all drop down. So then what I'm planning? Him just give it everything when him have. Car, license, every fucking thing him lose right now. Because him not for in here. Him not for in here. Him not supposed to be in here. And him lick down the woman pitney. Nearly kill off the woman because the woman all drop down. Him lose everything. The woman all think about how the girl get lit down by the truck and drop down same time. They have to carry the two of them to the hospital. Hopefully the baby alright, but the baby get lit down from the car. You got the whole lot everything. So the more I'm running, them great him because them don't want him going away. Right now when it happen, they must say don't run in or don't run. The woman frightened and drop down. The way the woman frightened should drop down. Cause the baby get lit down. And I want little baby. Them run down with him at hospital. Look at him start downtown. Them let him go. And then they gird him up. Look there. He left it in here. And he might come from that way here. That way here he might come down. Oh! Yeah! Crowd come up on him and tell him don't stop. Don't run. Look where he might come from. That way there. That way here now. Him not be in here, him not even come from now, yeah, no, him a come from that way, yeah. Him not supposed to in here, no, and him a come from that way there. So wrong. Him broke every rule, every law. Watch there. Every rule, every law. He lose everything right now.
Now you see why when the government are say they're going to take off points off of people who do reckless driving, and taxi drivers did I say them feel like say this is something designed against them. Well, Bob did say who the cap fit. This is why when them say them a protest and this and that, and even other taxi drivers never agree with them, because something we notice even Jamaican taxi drivers I say you can see it on social media. Jamaican taxi drivers don't like what other Jamaican taxi drivers drive. Jamaican taxi drivers drive like them a drive an emergency vehicle. Them can broke any one way, overtake, try fitting back into the traffic like them a drive an emergency vehicle. Them a drive public passenger vehicle. Them not drive an emergency vehicle. Them not have no more right to the road than any other motorist. But that's not the way them drive. No, which other regular motorist, aside from a taxi driver or somebody who drive an emergency vehicle. I would say emergency vehicle mean like police car, you know what I mean? Soldier jeep, ambulance, fire truck. Maybe even security rapid response. But which other regular motorist would I choose to drive the way with a taxi driver you drive? The man enter from the exit. For exit through the entrance. The man do this in a place for JUTC buses. Large vehicle. Big unit. As what the road code say. And him gonna just try exit from the entrance. No more that woman now youth and everything alright. Cause as I say, I just the footage start circulate. We don't get the full details. But the man when for come out come say. And he can come out come say is that in wrong? When more come out come say. I can't want sorry him come with. I can't really want sorry him try to come with in a situation like this. Yo, that's why when them say them a protest and this and that, yo, I'm gonna look on them. Now when them are complaining about certain things. If no matter about gas prices is different. But when no matter about laws being implemented upon them because of reckless driving, them are going with. We can't sorry for them upon that. And even other taxi drivers are sorry for them neither. A regular, you see footage. And what taxi driver need to notice is that our operators is that people fed up with them driving too. If you notice, when it's all in drive and Uber thing forwarding, Lyft and them thing there. For me to reach on the Jamaican island, you know me most Jamaicans I say? Are that them use. Unless you actually know a taxi driver, taxi operator, where you can call him, you already have his number. Where it's, that almost be similar to using an app to request a drive, or a Lyft, a in-drive, a Uber. If you have the number, almost the same thing. But other than that, for most people, that them start use. But they use them in drive. For one, a convenience. Secondly, comfort. If you request an in drive, are you alone or in there? Same thing with an Uber, same thing with a Lyft. Them all recover stars. So them have to drive in a way where is acceptable to the passenger. else you not get a good review. And most people just seem to want use the app more than for us to take regular public transportation. Some people I say true people are lean towards a more technological advancement. But it's not just that. Because of the convenience and the comfort and the fact that people just not too people fed up with the way how taxi drivers are moving. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason. And also join the discussion, the comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.